No, well, our producer wants us to be the new flag people for some entertainers, so we are going to learn.
No, we can't manage that. That takes too much energy.
So our producer is once again testing us. Apparently there's a towel tangle challenge. Towel tangle. The idea for us is to try and untangle ourselves without letting go of our towel. How would it have an entanglement?
Look, let me tell you something.
Oh, yeah.
Don't mix me. Don't do it. Don't mix me.
No, but come now.
Can we see the video first?
But I know what to do.
Produce. You have a video?
I know what to do. Come.
No, we have to see the video first. To contextualize for the people.
Oh, see it there. Are you supposed to come out of it without stepping out, without letting go of the towel?
We figured it out.
No, sir. And tomorrow this done. We don't need that. We are going to come out of this in seconds. Let's go. See there? It's a simple thing. Me say, come now. Come now.
But all them towel, I feel like them too short.
No.
Duh? Well, we couldn't get some full length towel. Produce.
Hold on, no. We just have to work it out. Hold on, just look at it and make us work it out. So if I put my hand in here, so. Then you go put me. No, go work.
Jody, I tell you, don't stop rolling when you start laughing. It's. I'm going to have to step through there.
Step through
I'm going to
here.
have to step through here.
Want any changes?
And then what?
And then step through here.
So. And then.
And then. Oh.
You look like you're going to step back through there again. Hold on.
Well,
Are you sure you don't want any changes?
Wait, no. See. Wait, no, man. You're fast, why we know the things easily here. You know?
What is happening?
Oh, me end up, yes.
I don't.
Hold on.
Reverse.
Reverse.
I feel like I need to.
Yeah, step again. And then step. Hold on. Something.
Feel like. Wait, come. What, sir? Sir. Sir, come back over.
Yeah, I do that.
Wait, come back over me. Come. Over, all the way over. Turn your back. Catch.
Then that me just do a while ago.
All the way down to your foot.
What?
Eh?
Hold on, that does see, man. And my neck hurt. Wait, man. Wait, man. If you match it out properly.
That's the thing, I was never good at maths.
So 2 plus 2 is 7.
I don't just do Pythagoras theorem, I'm done.
I know it.
Never.
No, that's not gonna work. How me come back out?
We need to find a way to get this. So what this needs to do is come all the way over to me, but down to the floor.
What? Come back, so? Ah, sit here.
Georgia, this is not it.
No, come down.
No, wait, because I'm cut up.
It's how it work. That's what I said.
Whoa.
And step over this now. Yeah. See it there? Hold on now. Yeah. And go all the way down now. And me step over.
But we're still cut up.
Wait no.
How?
So we end up so now. Stand up.
How do I get? So how do you?
Hold up here. Hold up here. Wait no, not so far up. Wait no. But all my two and them end up this up so.
A few moments later.
So close.
Close? Are we close?
We're close?
Are we really close?
Nope.
Wait, Nev. There's a secret here. Wait. This is actually not bad.
Then
How badly entangled are you? Let me see the shot.
No,
So how do you get out of that?
I kind of like this entanglement still.
Joe, tell us.
What?
Tell us, no, Joe.
I just watch and have no idea where to do. Carry it up to our right hand
Okay.
and
Come back over my head.
by the way, while we continue to do this, greetings across the world.
You must can do this. Oh gosh.